All right, so workbench settings search to or talk behavior, talk meaning table of contents. And by default, this is set to filter. And this only works on the settings UI. So let me show you what this looks like. If we click here to go to the settings UI and we search for something, the table of contents, which is this little thing right here, will filter out and give us settings that it pertains to. If we set this to hide and we go back, it will hide the table of contents. So it will have a little bit more space for these settings right here. Now, to be totally honest, I don't really care for the table of contents. These having these settings separated by I guess topic is really helpful, but I really don't like the UI. I like if we could have this same separation, if we could have a table of contents on the settings.json file, that would be perfect. Now, because of that, I don't really care much about the table of contents anyway, so I'm leaving this one set to hide.